In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single leg calf raise on a TRX in a lunge position. So first things first, the TRX has these handles that you're going to place your hands around, and we are going to be completely in the middle of the TRX. What I mean by that is I've got my TRX set up on a suspension above me, and I'm bang in the middle with my body on that TRX suspension. So from here, you're going to take one leg back into reverse lunge position. And as you do that, you're going to keep your hands on the TRX. So I'm going to take my left foot back. As I do that, I want to be in a position where I can bring the whole heel down. If the heel can't stay down and you're in this position, we won't be able to do the calf raise. From here, I've got a slight bend in my elbows. And if anything goes wrong, like I lose my balance, I can always then pull myself back up. So what you're going to do in that lunge position, keep your torso nice and upright, arms are forward and hands are gripping the TRX. You're then going to come up on your back leg, so you're going to bring your heel off the floor and back down. When you're doing this variation, one, it's good for those that are looking to work one leg at a time, as well as if you think about a normal calf raise where your ankle's in a neutral position. In this variation, you're put into more dorsiflexion of the ankle, which means you're pointing up slightly with the foot in that position. It actually makes it harder because you get a bigger range of motion, and you would do the amount of repetitions and sets you want on one side, and you would repeat exactly the same on the other side.